Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does a washer-dryer combo work? You don't need special washer-dryer hookups in your apartment to use a washer-dryer combo, just a standard, in North America, anyway, 120-volt electrical outlet and a connection to cold water.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
All washers use electricity, and of course, water. All dryers have an exhaust tube that's about 4 inches across for the hot air. A gas dryer does use electricity as well as gas, but the plug is normal size, like a toaster or hair dryer uses.
Take our lead.
Washers and dryers are not only heavy machines that are difficult to move without the help of a professional, but also challenging to install and hook up. Especially if you need to put new hookups in, you should definitely find a plumber and/or electrician who can route and connect everything correctly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.